need you to imagine these flock of geese that are flying. If any one of you has asked himself why these flocks travel in groups, why they travel in such a V-shaped formation that has inspired the air forces around the world. If we look into these formations, this is a group of geese, animals that has been inspired to fly in V-shapes and formations. The lift that is produced by one flapping of one wing of a goose actually creates a lifting function for the entire V-shape. That creates the lifting. So whoever actually goes away from that V-shape, he actually loses that advantage of getting that lift. If we look into basically the changing of positions of the formation, the leader swaps with the team swaps with the leader. Everyone assumes different positions at different segments of the journey of the flight. They cover distances and they cover different milestones. They cover different environments, landscapes, terrain, weathers. You imagine it. And they honk and they encourage each other for them to continue the journey. And if someone falls sick, they will actually descend with him until they help him to recover, for them to catch up with that flock or to catch up with the next flock. And the amazing thing about it is that this formation of V-shape of the geese get you more than 70% more distance than if you travel alone. Imagine, I would say our 3 pillars of Trainer Plus can be summarized into the geese, the wisdom of the geese, standardization, the development of international pool of expertise, courses, and the networking mechanism that we could create by being together, by working together, and by stimulating this journey together.